incredible Lauki kofta masala. Very easy, very simple dish. A must try recipe. If your children are not fond of bottle gourd or Lauki, this they will definitely eat without any complaint. Do make it. Hi friends, welcome to my channel of more and more food, flavor, color and celebration. Assalamu alaikum to all. I hope you all are doing very good. Today I'm come with a very special recipe that was for vegetarians, okay, which is known as Lauki kofta masala. Lauki means bottle gourd. I have taken almost 500 grams Lauki I took, bottle gourd. After peeling and removing some of the seeds and everything, I got around 430 grams grated Lauki. What I have done, I have grated this Lauki and I have put it in this cloth and I have squeezed out all the water. ऐसे कोई भी मलमल के कपड़े में डाल के पूरा पानी निकाल लेना है. You have to squeeze out all the water. And this is the water I got, okay, which I have kept aside. Now what we are going to do is, in this we are going to add some masalas to make the kebabs. So let's see what is all that. So first we are going to add in this is 1 teaspoon. We are going to add kutti lal mirch. If you don't have this, add your regular chili powder. But this is 1 teaspoon. I'm adding to this. Then we are going to add in this is 1 teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder. Please make a note of it while I'm giving all the measurement. And half teaspoon roasted zeera powder. Teaspoon roasted zeera powder added. Then you need to add 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste. Since I did not have, I have just crushed it. This is optional if you are Jain or Chaturvedi. Then you need to add in this, okay, some say 3 tablespoons chopped coriander and 2 chilies finely chopped. So I'm adding some coriander here, 3 tablespoons, and some chopped chilies I'm adding. Chop it very fine now. I have not chopped it already. This we are going to add to this mixture, okay, and we are going to add to this 1/2 finely chopped onion. 1/2 finely chopped onion we will add to this, okay, and you need to add to this around 2 teaspoon Shami kebab powder. You get this kebab powder everywhere in the market. Mine is homemade. You get this of lot of brands, okay. That you can add 1 teaspoon. It's optional. I'm adding around 1 teaspoon I have added. 1 teaspoon is more than enough. So I've added this. And we need to add some lemon juice also to this. So juice of half lemon I'm adding to this. Then we need to also add 3 tablespoons. That is 4 tablespoons. That is 1/4 cup besan or chane ka atta. So I'm just mixing this first. We'll mix this up. Salt and asafoetida, I will add it in the end. First we'll add 2 tablespoons. And if you don't have Shami kebab masala, you add your own garam masala. It's optional. Ensure that ensure करें कि लौकी में से पानी अच्छी तरह से निकाल दे. आप नहीं निकालोगे तो आपको ज़्यादा पानी ज़्यादा बेसन डालना पड़ेगा. I'm adding this 2 tablespoons also. And I have kept in the side oil to boil. So first we will fry the kebabs. Okay. After that we will go ahead with the process of making the masala. So let's see if it's forming a good kebab. But I feel that mine is little dry, so I will add 1 more tablespoon besan paata. Adding another tablespoon. Okay. And to this we will add salt and hing. Salt I've taken 1 teaspoon. You take it as per your taste. And hing. And after putting salt, we don't have to mix this too much. With very light hand, you ensure that the salt gets mixed. Okay. Now what we will do is we'll quickly fry the koftas. So let's take a bowl to make the koftas. Make small size like this. Okay, I'm not an expert here. I will quickly make and keep it here. This is the size and this is the shape I make. You can make any shape you want, but if you make this shape, it looks nice. Okay. And we have put salt in this क्योंकि हमने इसमें नमक डाला है. हमको बहुत ज़्यादा उसको दबाना नहीं है. बहुत ज़्यादा दबाओगे तो ये पानी छोड़ना शुरू कर देगा. तो हल्के हाथ से इसको ऐसे शेप दो. तो मैं क्या करती हूँ, मैं सारे बना के I'll get back to you in 3 minutes. Hi friends, see all the koftas are ready. Okay, and delicately you need to make the shape. If you can make better shape out of this, I'll be more than happy. But I'm happy with this, and in total I'm getting 6, 9, 10, 11 I'm getting. You can also get 14 out of it if you make little smaller size. But I like this much big size. Okay, the oil is hot enough. Oil is hot. We'll fry this. I'll slow down the gas first. And chalo fry karte hain. Bismillah. And once you put them in the oil, don't touch them so soon. Have something like this long to turn them. क्योंकि हमको इसको बहुत ज़्यादा डार्क फ्राई नहीं करना है. अब मैंने गैस थोड़ा फास्ट कर दिया है. जो पहला डाला है ना, मैं उसे टर्न कर रही हूँ। बहुत मज़े के लगते हैं एंड जो वीगन है वो भी बना सकते हैं इसको। बहुत लजीज, वेरी हेल्दी। माई सन डज नॉट लाइक बॉटल गाउट। इफ आई पुट इट इन द दाल he will literally remove and keep them aside, but when I make this recipe he loves it, he hogs. So I'm rosa today. I'm rosa all these days, alhamdulillah, and this is what I'm going to eat in the iftari along with my chapati, and this is also good for dinner also. Fruits is going to be there for my iftari, and I'm going to have some almond milk. I haven't shared any of my drink recipes with you all. Mine is a very new channel. So inshallah next year, you know, I will share good iftari and videos with you people. Sehri mein to I just drink water and I just have dates. I don't eat anything in so early in the morning. I'm not able to eat. So nothing special in the sehri. And I'm not a tea coffee person. So there is no tea and all also in the morning. So, okay. I'm removing this patch now. Slowing the gas down. See here. Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah. See the color. And for non-vegetarians, please watch my Shami kebab recipe. It's a very good recipe. And give your comments. This recipe is also good for you people. And my Jain friends, you all can avoid onion and garlic and ginger from it. And even the masala I'm going to make now. The masala which I'll be making for this kofta does not have onions and does not have ginger garlic paste at all. It has just got dry masala, tomato paste and curd. So definitely, you know, even my Jain friends can make this recipe without any hesitance. And my other Muslim brothers and sisters, you all can have this kofta directly in your iftar as well. It is that tasty. You know, you don't even have to put it in the gravy. So make it part of your iftar as well. So the first batch of frying the kofta you have already seen, okay, and the second batch also is ready, and this is how and I'm switching off the gas. See, whenever I fry, मेरी कढ़ाई एकदम पीछे होती है. वो इसके लिए होती है because कभी by chance अगर ये सोचता है कि भाई मुझे उलट जाना है, तो वो उस तरफ उलट के गिरेगा. ओके, और इस तरह से फ्राई करेंगे तो आपके हाथ पैर भी नहीं जलेंगे. So be safe while doing any kind of frying during Ramadan. Okay, friends, the delicious lot is ready. So we will go ahead with the next process. तो पहले हम डालेंगे अनियंस, बड़े बड़े स्क्वायर टुकड़े करके. सबको ऐसे स्क्वायर टुकड़े कर लिए हैं हमने. ऑल कलरफुल शिमला मिर्च. I've taken yellow, I've taken green, and I've taken yellow, green and red. बस बहुत ज़्यादा देर नहीं, थोड़े देर, ताकि उनमें एक शाइन जैसी आ जाए. दिख रहा है? शाइन जैसी आ जाए. ये गार्निश के तौर पे हम यूज करेंगे. ऑप्शनल है, अगर आपके पास हरी वाली भी हो, शिमला मिर्च और प्याज हो, तब उससे भी कर सकते हैं. ज़रूरी नहीं है कि ये डिश को बनाने के लिए कोई सारी चीज़ें चाहिए, ये ऑप्शनल है कम्प्लीटली। खाली एक कोफ्ता बना ले, सालन बना ले तो वो भी लजीज लगेगी डिश। अब इसको हम उतार देंगे बिकॉज शिमला मिर्च बोलो, सब बोलो, श्रिंक हो रही है। इज द राइट टाइम टू रिमूव इट। बेहतरीन लग रही है, सो ब्यूटीफुल। चले फिर मिलते हैं और इसका मसाला तैयार करते हैं। दिस इज 1/4 कप ऑयल आई एम एडिंग। ओके, I'll switch off the gas, it's become hot. To this I'm going to add whole zira. Okay, and I'm going to add saffatidia. Now to this hot oil, we have to add all the dry masalas. And the dry masalas, I start first with, I've taken half teaspoon chili powder. I've taken half teaspoon haldi powder. I've taken half teaspoon garam masala. Okay, and to this I'm going to add I'm not going to add this right now. I'm on the gas. You have to bonify this masala very well. Then to this I'm going to add 1/4 cup tomato puree. And another 1/4 cup tomato puree. Half teaspoon salt. Some stem of chopped coriander. So this will add curd. 3 tablespoon curd I have added. But beat the curd properly, otherwise you will see white spots in it, like you're seeing in my gravy. We don't want that. And this Loki water which we had kept aside, okay, I had mixed the kofta also in this bowl. So in this only I have added that Loki water. So I am adding this little. फिर इसको भूनते रहना है। ग्रेवी की कंसिस्टेंसी आप इतनी भी रख सकते हैं या मेरे हिसाब से भी रख सकते हैं, जैसे मैं रखने वाली हूँ। I don't let anything go waste. So you can see the tiny pieces of grated lauki also in it. मैं बाकी का भी डाल देती हूँ पानी। 3/4 कप पानी निकला था लौकी से। ओके, अब इसको ढक के अच्छी तरह से एक 5 से 8 मिनट का दम दे दो till oil separates. Then we'll add our kofta in it. So I'll see you in 5 to 8 minutes. Let's check, friends. The oil has to separate. Then if you require, we'll add some more. Let's check here. I'll just add 1 more tablespoon oil. That is 1/4 cup, so I added 1 more tablespoon. If you think this gravy is less, then you double up the quantity. 2 टमाटर के बदले 4 ले लो, 3 टेबलस्पून दही के बदले 6 टेबलस्पून ले लो, और सारे मसाले जो मैंने डाले उसको डबल कर लो। तीखा अच्छा लगता है तो तीखा डालो, ऐड स्पाइसी चिली इफ यू लाइक स्पाइस। So I'm adding 1/2 cup now. ठंडा पानी नहीं डालना है, याद रखिए, गर्म ही डालना है। बस ये थिक तो हो जाएगा बिकॉज ऑफ द कोफ्ता ऑल्सो। अब इसमें बॉईल आती है, आई विल ऐड द कोफ्ता। बिस्मिल्लाह। थोड़ा से घुमाएंगे। देखिए इट्स ऑलरेडी थिकनिंग अप, ऑलरेडी ये गाढ़ा होना शुरू हो गया, तो मैं थोड़ा और पानी। तो आई हैव एडेड ऑलमोस्ट 3/4 कप वाटर एंड now we'll add these remaining jewels that we have fried. Bismillah. Throw green chili and some coriander. So friends, the Loki kofta masala is ready. If you have liked my recipe, please give a like. Please share my recipes, and don't forget to press the bell icon. And do watch my earlier recipe as well. Even that is fantastic. So see you soon with another recipe. Till then, you all take good care of yourself. Be safe.